What is the habit loop for building self-discipline? Imagine your brain as a busy city with traffic signals guiding your actions. Understanding how these signals work can help you steer your habits toward success. When it comes to building self-discipline, there's a simple but powerful cycle at play. This cycle is called the habit loop, and it explains how habits form and how you can change them to stay focused on your goals. The first part of the loop is the cue, or trigger. This is what prompts your brain to start a certain behavior. It could be a specific time of day, a feeling, or even a place. For example, feeling bored might be a cue to pick up your phone and scroll social media. Recognizing these cues is the first step in gaining control over your habits. Next is the routine, which is the action you take in response to the cue. For building self-discipline, this routine should be a positive, goal-oriented behavior. Instead of scrolling social media when bored, you could decide to write a few lines for a project or do a quick workout. The routine is what you want to become more consistent in doing. Then comes the reward. This is what you get after completing the routine. It can be a feeling of accomplishment, a sense of relief, or even a small treat. Rewards reinforce the habit, making it more likely you'll do it again when the cue appears. For example, finishing a task might give you a sense of pride or a short break to relax. To build self-discipline, you start by noticing your current cues that lead to distractions or procrastination. Then, you consciously replace the old routine with a new one that aligns with your goals. For instance, if feeling overwhelmed triggers you to avoid work, you might take a deep breath and focus on one small task instead. Reward yourself immediately afterward with something simple, like a glass of water or a quick stretch. Make the new routine easy to do by keeping cues specific and manageable. For example, after brushing your teeth in the morning, spend 5 minutes planning your day. Keep the reward immediate and satisfying so your brain associates the new habit with positive feelings. Repeating this cycle consistently will help the behavior become automatic, requiring less willpower over time. This habit loop is especially helpful for those seeking success without a traditional degree. It helps you develop the discipline to learn independently, manage your time well, and stay motivated through challenges. By designing your own habit loops, you create a structure that supports your goals. Over time, these disciplined actions become second nature, pushing you closer to your dreams every day.